Today's video topic is 7 health benefits of eating oats. Oats have been considered a superfood for many years. It is one of the most nutritious foods you can eat, and it has many health benefits. Here are 7 of them. Number 1. Oats are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Oats contain several vitamins and minerals that are essential to your overall health. For example, they are rich in iron, magnesium, and zinc. Iron helps build red blood cells and transport oxygen throughout the body. Magnesium plays a role in nerve function as well as muscle contraction, and zinc supports wound healing and immune function. Oats also contain antioxidants that help fight free radicals that can change cells and cause disease. Antioxidants may reduce the risk of cancer by reducing these potentially harmful compounds before they can do damage to the body's healthy cells. Number 2. Oats help reduce cholesterol levels. Oats and oatmeal are high in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber is also known to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. Number 3. Oats improve blood sugar control in diabetic patients. Like what we said, oats are one of the best sources of soluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps to reduce blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels by slowing down digestion and absorption, which means you feel fuller for longer. Oats also contain beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels in diabetic patients by improving insulin sensitivity. This can prevent or delay complications associated with diabetes, such as heart disease and kidney disease. Number 4. Eating oats may reduce the risk of asthma. Oats contain beta-glucans, which have been shown to be effective in reducing asthma symptoms, which is an inflammation of the airways, and there are actually studies claiming that eating oats at a very young age may protect children from getting asthma. Number 5. Oats can help with weight loss. Oats help a person feel full for longer periods of time, which may aid weight loss. The beta-glucan in the oats triggers the release of hormones that make you feel full. Number 6. Oats and hypertension. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, which can actually lower your blood pressure. In one study, the addition of oats to the diet lowered the systolic blood pressure by 7.5 mmHg and the diastolic blood pressure by 5.5 mmHg on average. Number 7. Oats can help you sleep better. Oats are rich in vitamin B6 and melatonin, which helps reduce stress and can make you feel more relaxed, which can help you have a better night's sleep.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.